Good morning. My name is Brian Fitzgerald, and I'm with SFM Insurance and have over 25 years of multi-state workers' compensation experience. I would like to speak with you about claims and the issues to be addressed with and without de-escalation. SFM triages all claims so they are set up to be handled in an effective manner. The following are ways SFM can handle claims more effectively. First, medical-only claim representative focuses exclusively on medical claims, meaning they know the process inside and out. Second, lost time adjuster focuses on complex medical and lost time claims, which are some of the most costly claims, and their efforts help to get employees back to work. Third, bill review. Look over the bills to ensure accuracy and timely payment. Fourth, nurse case manager can review the medical recommendations for recovery to ensure the injured employee is getting the best care and is making strides to return to work. Fifth, doctors on staff. Much like nurse case managers, they consult on cases to ensure care is helping to get the employee back to health and work. Sixth, independent medical examination are used on cases where a second opinion may be helpful. And finally, medical legal reviews. This is where we have a meeting with the lost time adjuster, doctors on staff, and staff attorney to look at all avenues of the claim and come up with the plan that best handles the issues and concerns. Next, all claims must be reported in a timely manner. Work comp is a no-fault concept. There are record-only claims, which are incident or injury took place, but no medical care was sought. Next, medical-only claims, incident or injury takes place and medical care was obtained. And finally, wage loss claims. Incident or injury takes place and medical care along with wage loss is a result of the claim. Impact of injuries. There are direct costs such as compensation and medical expenses, which will impact premium and the employer's experience mod. Then there are indirect costs, which can impact an employer even more than direct costs. These are employee replacement, 2, overtime for the employees to replace hours the injured worker was working, 3, product and service quality, 4th, increased need for supervision and management, 5th, investigation by both SFM and the employer, 6th, employee training and retraining, 7th, damaged equipment, 8, cost of lost opportunity, 9, cost of lost earning power, and finally, employee morale. Workplace violence claims can result in lost time and longer timelines before closure due to the types of injuries that we see, including concussion or even PTSD. As shown on the slide, the average cost of a fellow patient and crime lost time claim over the past 5 years is $27,000. The absence of de-escalation program can exacerbate these claims in both complexity and cost. These claims have significant implications for all, and here are the potential ramifications. Number 1, temporary total disability benefits up to 130 weeks. Temporary partial disability benefits up to 275 weeks. Permanent partial disability benefits, this depends on the extent of injury and recovery. Permanent total disability benefits due to injury and inability to work in the future. And finally, one of the most important, termination of an employee while on restrictions. This provides many benefits to the employee, such as an entitlement to a qualified rehabilitation counselor, entitlement to a job vendor, potential retraining, potential college, additional temporary total disability benefits, and miscellaneous expenses like computers, mileage, and other equipment. Also, claims without de-escalation will typically result in a claim being litigated. This will have the following impact. 1, the employee who are represented have claims that are typically open longer. 2, they require more involvement by SFM. 3, they require involvement by the insured. 4, they could require the insured to be deposed. And 5, they could require the insured to attend conferences and/or hearings. Finally, a way to de-escalate a claim is to have a return to work program. It is imperative that an employer have a return to work program and one that is flexible and can bring an injured worker back to work. Injured workers who are brought back to work feel respected, and when an insured takes the time to relay their willingness to help and work with them, better results for all take place, and the issues I mentioned will be greatly decreased. Thank you for watching. You can find more educational work comp videos at sfmic.com/webinars.